Hi, I'm Matthew, and I'm the coordinator of the Anabaptist Learning Workshop. The Anabaptist Learning Workshop is a program of Mennonite Church Eastern Canada in cooperation with Conrad Grebel University College. This year we have a whole variety of workshops and events happening, exploring topics like spiritual practices while canoe camping, preparedness for local tragedies, reflecting on teaching practice, preaching, and how to be church in light of the Me Too movement. And these workshops happen in a whole variety of places throughout Eastern Canada. In all of these different events, what makes it exciting is that we're using a participatory learning model where everyone gets involved in one way or another. And so we welcome everyone. We welcome pastors and lay people. We welcome you. Come and join us in the Anabaptist Learning Workshop.